Hey guys, this is Hafiz, and today I'm going to show you guys how to start a truck in cold weather. Most of the time when you let the truck sit for like a week or so, you're gonna have this kind of problem. So I have a reefer unit on this truck, so I'm gonna try to see if I can start my reefer unit. Also, whenever you leave the truck, make sure it's on off, the kill switch is on off position. But as I'm coming after a few weeks and I don't see any lights, so I think the battery is dead. So let's see if I can. Nope, no dashboard, nothing. So this is a battery problem. Alright, I'm gonna check if my reefer unit is running. Okay. Yep, rough start. And also we have most of the time the same problem with the air pressure. So we are low on this tire, the air. Now look at the fuel level. I have enough fuel in the reefer, so I'm going to jump start my truck with the reefer unit. I just gotta jump start from the reefer unit. Put red cable and the black cable on the batteries. And if you have the lowest gauge, like 4 gauges cable, it's really good. So I'm going to turn on the battery switch. As you can see, the lights start. Right after 15 minutes, I'm going to try to start the truck one more time and see what happens. Okay, slipped again. Alright, I'm going to try again. I let it charge for like 15-20 minutes, and I'm gonna try it. Let's see what happens. I still have the blinking exhaust light, but I'm gonna try again. Alright, so I tried to crank. That means the battery was really low and still need to be charged a little bit more. So I'm gonna let it charge for half an hour, 15-20 minutes, whatever. I'm gonna try after half an hour. Just got it started.